Is I took it for a test drive the very first time. It's like it was just stuck in first. It wouldn't go over like 45 miles. It wouldn't go over 30 miles an hour. So take it for a test drive. Transmission. Oh well, you see I drove it because my fucking car's sitting in the opposite direction. So I ain't never let y'all get a good look at it with the rims on it. And then a nice little look. The rims and everything on there. So, oh yeah, today is my birthday, so that's the main reason why I nigga want to drive this motherfucker. So I'm gonna pull it out. Hopefully it go through the gears. I won't have to take this fucking transmission back out for the third time. So, everything's straight with the engine though, but only thing really holding me back is this fucking transmission. This transmission shit. So I'll get back with y'all YouTube. Alright, so we just got back. We went and put some air in the tires and put some gas in the car. It shifted gears. Just a little sketchy. I guess because it's been a long time since I drove it, but it's still like a little shaky to me, but it seemed like it might be alright. I'm just gonna baby the transmission for real until I get the one I want to get in here. So alright, YouTube, we got everything. Hopefully things work properly. This pulley is still hitting up against right here for some odd reason. I'll figure that out. But yeah, man, we washed up. See all the grease marks and we put the transmission in. So hopefully we taking this motherfucker on the road this weekend, man. I mean, my birthday, man. The car gave me a nice birthday wish for me to drive her. I got a couple of pictures of me at the gas station, but you know how it is on the first drive, man. You just want to sit there and listen and make sure ain't nothing, you don't hear no strange noises or nothing. So that's basically what I was doing. But alright, YouTube, man. Check y'all back. Check back in with y'all, man. Hard top Guwap, man.